Welcome back. In today's video, you'll learn how to create an interactive slider in Figma. Let's get started. First, create an artboard. Inside the artboard, add a small frame. This will serve as the slider background. Choose a light shade for this background. Round the corners and adjust the frame size as needed. Next, create a rectangle slightly larger than the frame. This will be the active slider fill. Round its corners as well, and choose a bright, fresh color to make it stand out. Place the rectangle inside the frame and align it to the center. Then, move it to the extreme left using Shift plus arrow key for precision. Now, create a circle. Make it slightly larger than the height of the frame. Use the same base color as the rectangle, but tweak it a bit to create a slight visual difference. Place the circle on the frame and center align it. Add a gradient to give the circle a subtle 3D effect. And apply a shadow for depth. Select both the circle and the rectangle and group them into a frame. Now, duplicate this frame. In the second frame, move the circle and rectangle to the extreme right to create the active state. Next, select both frames and click Create Component Set. We'll now add interaction. Select the circle in the first frame, drag the prototype arrow to the second frame, and set the trigger to On-Drag. Repeat the same for the circle in the second frame. Drag it back to the first frame and set the trigger to On-Drag. Now your interactive slider is ready. Create a new frame and place the main component inside it. Click on the Prototype tab in the top right corner and preview your design. Your interactive slider is now working perfectly.